When that big storm came through and damaged your neighbor's home, I was there. When the wind howled and tore off siding of residents in your town, I was there. When your friend lost shingles of their roof and needed an emergency tarp to protect their home, I was there. And when all these people needed an experienced professional to help them through the insurance claims process to restore their home, I was there. My name is John, and I'm a senior inspection specialist serving homeowners throughout Central Ohio. When the next storm hits and you want to ensure your property is protected, I'll be there to help by offering free inspections and assessments of your property. If you've experienced storm damage, I'll work with your insurance carrier to make sure you're treated fairly and your property restored fully. At Lifetime Quality Roofing, you're not just a client, you're family, and we're here to serve you.